Mr. Speaker. The Prime Minister will be aware of the grave concern among British Sikhs about the reports in recent days of UK involvement in Operation Blue Star to storm the Golden Temple. He will also be aware that the broader events of 1984 in India resulted in the death of thousands of innocent Sikhs, and that this has left lasting grief and pain in the Sikh community here in the UK and around the world. This is an open wound which will not heal until the full truth is told. So can I ask him, on the process he has set up, whether he will ensure there is full disclosure of all government papers and information from that time, and that there is also, following that, a proper statement in this House where ministers can be questioned about this?
Minister, well, I think, first of all, can I agree with him about the deep scars that this event left and the incredibly strong feelings that exist to this day. And as I say, anyone who visits the Golden Temple at Amritsar and sees what an extraordinary place of peace and tranquility and what an important site it is for the Sikh religion knows how powerful this point is. We're going to make sure this inquiry is held properly. Its findings will be made public, which I think is vitally important. As I say, in the end, I don't think anyone should take away the responsibility for these events with the people who are properly responsible for them, and I'm sure the inquiry will find that. In terms of holding a statement and revealing this information and the findings to the House, I'll listen carefully to what he says, but I think a statement might well be the right approach.